Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit, also known as red date or Chinese date. It is a small, sweet fruit with a chewy texture and a flavor reminiscent of apple and dates. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as jujube, jujube, tube, jujube. Jujubes are cultivated most in countries like China, India, and Korea, where they grow well in warm climates. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about jujube, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.